Friends, our world is full of many entangled mysteries. Because science has yet to uncover answers to these questions, they are regarded as a mystery. The Bermuda Triangle is one of hundreds of such mysteries. This is a region of North Atlantic Ocean where hundreds of planes and ships have mysteriously vanished over the years. This is a fictitious triangle whose bounds are universally respected, not in agreement. It runs in a triangle shape from Florida's Atlantic coast to Bermuda and the Greater Antilles Island. As a result, it was given the title Bermuda Triangle. Strange phenomena have occurred here since the mid-19th century, on which there are hundreds of reports. Some ships were found entirely empty without any valid reason. Some did not send any distress signals, and some were never found. A similar scenario had been given with aircraft as well. In this location, even rescue teams have vanished. There are theories that things are missing here due to supernatural reasons, but geophysical and environmental factors seem to be more responsible for these losses. This is the story of Bermuda Triangle. But this is not a story of Bermuda Triangle. This is a story of one such lake which is present in Arunachal Pradesh, and legends fear to it as the local Bermuda Triangle. Today's video is based on this. However, the study makes no suggestion that supernatural forces causes these occurrences. Based on reports and information in the public domain, we will explore a location where specific theories and intriguing things are hidden. This lake is 12 km from Nampong and is also known as Nawang Yang Lake. Many myths, traditions and theories have given rise to the name of this pond. Folk tales are particularly whispered here, making this one of India's most intriguing destinations. This lake is located on the Indo-Myanmar border and is home to the Tungus tribe of the region. This water body is 1.4 km long and roughly 800 meter broad, and it is located 2.5 km southeast of Ledo Road. Friends, Ledo Road is an important link for tourist development in Arunachal Pradesh, Changlang district. Aside from mythology and myth, numerous similar instances occurred at this location during World War II, earning it the name Lake of No Return and Hell's Gate. But there are also scientific reasons behind these incidents. Let us know which such incidents have happened at this place and its possible reasons. The flying zone above the mountains of Arunachal Pradesh has become like a devil's triangle. Since 2001, 10 helicopters have vanished in this area, although no scientific investigation has been conducted yet. A serving chief minister, defense minister, major general and 2 IAS officials and dozens of lives have been lost here in the previous almost 2 decades. The reputation of these mountains and the region around the lake rapidly deteriorated, and as a result, it was nicknamed the world's second Bermuda Triangle. Within minutes, the weather becomes unpredictable, with several gusts, cyclonic winds, zero visibility and other factors causing whirlpools to develop, which led helicopters to move around like a pentagon, which causes accidents due to lack of control. When the history of Arunachal Pradesh was traced from World War II to the present, it became vital to conduct research on this region. Many Allied Forces aircraft were lost in the nearby Himalayan mountains. According to US Defense Department, around 400 Allied airmen were killed in these crashes. The major cause has been identified as poor visibility along this path. The flying route across Arunachal Pradesh was used by American planes to provide supplies to Chinese soldiers. During World War II, Chinese armies were fighting against the Japanese invasion. Because of the numerous mishaps, high winds and low visibility, the Allied forces named the region the Hump. Here, the last crash happened of Pawan Hans helicopter, in which 3 onboard people were killed. It also includes Deputy Commissioner Kamlesh Kumar Joshi ji. This accident occurred on August 4, 2015. Earlier, on April 29, 2011, a Pawan Hans 350 B3 helicopter crashed, killing Chief Minister Dorji Khandu, and 4 others were found missing. After a 4-day search, the bodies of 5 persons were discovered and all had been killed. Following this, 13 people died in an IFN-32 plane crash in June 2011. Similarly, a helicopter carrying around 5 passengers crashed near Bombdila in May 2001. Similarly, 2010 saw 3 accidents. Following the accidents, aviation experts have linked the mountainous region of Arunachal Pradesh and the area around Nawang Yang Lake to the Bermuda Triangle, although it is also called the Devil's Triangle. The lake has been embellished with several legends, but these are only stories. Crashes have been caused by geographical obstacles, uncomfortable and strange terrains, and weather conditions. So friends, this was the story of Lake of No Return. What's your opinion and belief in this particular matter? Do comment below in the comment section. And with this thought, that's it for the video. I hope you have liked the video, and if you have, don't forget to share it with your friends. We will meet in next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.